Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now we're here at Ocean Park. This is part 6 of the tour of Ocean Park. There are other parts of Ocean Park tour in my channel. Do catch them on the channel. Thank you. I've just come down from the ride of Polar Express and now we're heading to look at some of the animals here at Ocean Park. Now we're at the lower area of Ocean Park. These are the cable cars here at Ocean Park. In a while, we are going to go to the Giant Panda adventure and look at the different pandas here at Ocean Park.
Hello. OK。
That's why. That's why this is a problem when the climate change. When it goes higher, then every all contaminate. Yeah, that's
At the entrance, we're almost going to head in. Now we're inside this Panda enclosure. It's got these neon glow lights as we're walking, fluorescence. And you see where's the panda? There he is. It's up there. Enjoy his time. These are the red pandas. They are smaller in size but quite cute too.
OK。
It's quite an amazing thing that they built such a natural enclosure for these pandas to stay, and it's quite big.
Em ơi, em ơi. Chi đâu có tính không à? Dạ. Gì cũng là dạ.
Hmm? Some of the food that the panda eats, as well as the feces of the panda, is displayed here. Next, we'll look at the giant salamanders here.
第一次看很 amazing 哦，我看到 Chinese salamander。啊？没有看到。哦，怎么发生？做怎么会 stay 在那边呢？好贵啊！哪里？哦，otters 啊
otters 哦。哦。有塑胶袋吗？
塑胶袋。我在这边进，不，哦，对呀。
Lodge 啊，真 lodge。哇，这是 Ocean Park 是不是？
嗯？
它是 born in Ocean Park。
Yeah, no, that's all. Those are things that will be like separate from the previous.
I was thinking like for sure when
Huh?
I'm thinking like for.
You don't think?
Yeah. 我们这是 Australian rare fish。应该是我们。哦，看没有。1、2、3。
This is their souvenir shop, the merchandise shop. If you are interested in any of these animals, then here they are, quite cute to have. These are the baby panda stuff that you can get, the plushies of baby pandas.
Yeah, I can't believe that. 我啤酒牌。
Here we have some meerkats from the plains of Africa. Some of the games the kids can play here. At the back of that is a huge Aldabra tortoise. This is the largest species in the world. This is the first time I've seen one in person. Hope you enjoy the vlog. We will be continuing the next part in a while.